What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be unboxing the Losi Son-uva Digger LMT Monster Truck. It's been quite a while since we did an unboxing, so we're trying to get back in the swing of things here. I do believe that this will be a good start for us. This got a few different modes to make things easier for operation. One of them being freestyle mode. It's supposed to drive on two wheels, ride wheelies longer, and a few different other things. As you can see, I've always been a fan of Grey Digger growing up. I was actually out at the World Finals when they debuted this particular truck, Son-uva Digger. The real monster truck version, that is. So we'll go ahead, you can see the front, it displays the truck. I'll go ahead and show you guys the side. Now it shows you guys the side here on the frame. I do believe it's aluminum frame. It looks like it's anodized blue, which is awesome. Big tires and wheels, and kind of gives you a little rundown of all the little deals it's got. We won't be going into too much detail on that. That's a bunch of kind of mumbo jumbo on the sides. If you guys want to read it, you can pause it and read all the sides. Let's go ahead and break into it. Let me cut the tape here. Alright. Alright, now that the top's off, so we've got the Monster Jam logo, Son-uva Digger. Oh, and I gotta tell you, this thing looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna pull this out here. I actually wasn't, it has the tires and wheels on it. I actually wasn't expecting that. I thought they were going to be off of it and we'd have to put them on. It's here, so it's the truck itself. Whoops, went ahead and dropped the box there. This must be the remote. A little filler box. Go ahead and put that in the frame there. Wow. Just the detail on the body, that is awesome. Tires seem pretty soft and firm and soft. Got a nice little servo saver there. And this truck comes with a Spectrum remote, and you can see the different unlimited. You got wheelie and freestyle mode, so that's pretty cool. I'm kind of interested to check that out. The little Spectrum remote. So that's nice. It looks like it comes with the batteries for the remote as well, and a few different other little goodies in there. So some spare little parts. Awesome. We'll definitely have to check that out. I have to say the detail on the body is amazing, and the detail on the frame. I gotta say, I thought there'd be more little cushion than that, but there is a lot of up travel, so you can see where it's gonna soak up those jumps. Then we'll go ahead and one of my favorite parts. Taking off the plastic. That body is nice. It's almost going to be a shame to take it out and bash it around. Very nice. I'll go ahead and give you guys a little close-up view. You can see the solid axles. Under there is the big old servo saver. Nice wide tires. I know on the first version they had really big rims on the inside. There was almost no tire in there. Looks like they went ahead and matched the front and the back of the tire, so it has real thin rims. That way it kind of cushions the landing when you're taking some big jumps, at least in my opinion there. Oh, you can see the detail of that body. Whoops, my shadow's getting in there. See the frame? Looks really nice and sturdy. All the suspension in there. the control arms. You see it's got double shocks. Bring it to the back there. We got a wheelie bar on the back for some wheelies. Now I gotta say, it was a little tricky for me to pull that body up. It's got a little clip piece that you turn back here and two little clips on the body, and then you just flip it up. I had to do that on camera. I had to kind of look at it a little deeper. You see the speed control in there. The motor's back. You just kind of see the back of it right there. And then you got the strap. And then the rear axle back there. It's got a little plug in here. I noticed, I think it's for the lights. It looks like it plugs in down there. So it looks like it's a pain every time you gotta lift the body up. So we'll go ahead and reroute this so we don't have to unplug it every time we lift the body up. Just want to go ahead and show you guys one more time all the detail in the body. You see the blue flames right there, and then at the top you got a skull, the Son-uva Digger. That body is very nice. But alright you guys, that was just my quick unboxing video of the Losi LMT Son-uva Digger Monster Truck. This truck does run on 4S. If you guys are interested in this truck or on the batteries that we will be running, I'm going to go ahead and put those links down in the description below. But we definitely can't wait to get out and test this thing out. And always, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.